cowardly soul. You just shot an unarmed man.
Well, he should have armed himself.
This definitely rates about a 9.0 on my weird shit-o-meter.
Just a bit outside. One is way back, it is off the reservation.
It's early morning, the sun comes out. Last night was shaking and pretty loud. My kid is purring, scratches my skin. Someone is crying, another sin. The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. More days they come, you places to go.
Oh no, you did not shoot that green shit at me.
Madcap! Where you going with that shotgun?
Just have to make it with someone I choose. The night is calling. I have to go.
I don't want to crash twice in one day. Don't worry. I crash better than anyone I know.
Have you ever heard of Evil Knievel? Oh, I never saw it start with.
About my face when something bad happened to me.
Jamaican? I thought you were some kind of outer space potato man.